How to fix Battlefield 6 EA Javelin Anti-Cheat encountered an error. Now, if you're receiving this kind of error message on any kind of games on EA, this is a very quick fix. So all you have to do at first is to go into your file manager and then local disk C, program files, EA folder, AC, and then you should be able to see the installer, which is going to be the EA anti-cheat.installer.exe. Run that as an administrator, and then your EA anti-cheat setup will pull up. Now just simply choose on uninstall all. This will refresh everything that your anti-cheat has from Javelin anti-cheat. Once everything is done, close everything there and open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. And then there just simply type in EA Javelin Anti-Cheat Download. Now once you hit on enter, choose on the very first result that will redirect you into the EA help. This is going to be the direct link where you can download the EA Javelin Anti-Cheat Downloader. Scroll down from here, choose on EA Javelin Anti-Cheat Installer. It will automatically be downloaded on your browser, and then once it is downloaded, simply run and install it as usual and relaunch the Battlefield 6. And that's it. That's how you fix Battlefield 6 EA Javelin Anti-Cheat encountered an error.